Lecture 4, Budgeting for Growth, a practical guide for low and middle income earners. Budgeting on a limited income isn't about restriction, it's about strategic allocation. Your first job is to make your current income work smarter, but your most important job is to grow what's coming in. Think of budgeting as your financial foundation while you build upward. Budgeting fundamentals that actually work. 1. Start with a survival budget. List only essential expenses: housing, utilities, basic groceries, transportation, and minimum debt payments. This is your non-negotiable baseline. Knowing this number tells you exactly what you must earn to survive. 2. Adopt the 50/30/20 adjuster method. 50% for needs: housing, utilities, basic food. 30% for wants and growth. Here's the twist. Allocate part of this to income-expanding activities, courses, certifications, side hustle supplies. 30% for debt and savings. 3. Track with purpose. Use free apps or a simple spreadsheet, but don't just track, analyze. Ask, which expenses could be reduced to fund income growth? Every naira saved from unnecessary spending can be redirected toward earning more. The critical shift from budgeting scarcity to budgeting for growth. Priority number 1, budget your time like your money. Your most limited resource isn't money, it's time. Allocate 2 to 4 hours weekly to income expansion activities. Treat this time as a non-negotiable bill you pay to your future self. Budget line items for income growth. Create actual budget categories for Skill Development Fund, Side Hustle Seed Money, Networking/professional memberships, Tools and technology that increase earning potential. Practical ways to expand your income base. Immediate actions, next 30 days. Monetize existing skills: tutoring, writing, repairs, design. What you gig economy platforms: TaskRabbit, Fiverr, Upwork. Start with small projects. Turn clutter to cash. Dedicate one weekend to selling unused items online. Medium-term strategies, 3 to 6 months. Upskill strategically: free, low-cost certifications via Coursera, Google certificates, or community colleges in high-demand fields. Create a skill stack. Combine 2 to 3 basic skills into a valuable combination. Writing plus basic design equals content creation. Explore shift differentials. Can you work different hours at your current job for higher pay? Long-term building, 6 to 12 months plus. Develop a specialized service. What do people repeatedly ask you for help with? Build multiple income streams. Aim for 3 income sources: main job plus side hustle plus passive income. Invest in relationships. Budget for occasional coffee meetings with people in fields you're interested in. Mindset shifts that make it work. View every expense through a growth lens. Instead of, "I can't afford this course," ask, "How could this help me earn extra income?" Practice opportunity cost thinking. That 1,000 naira daily beer equals 30,000 naira monthly equals funds a certification that could increase my income by 5% or more. Celebrate income milestones, not just savings. When your side hustle earns its first extra income, acknowledge that achievement alongside paying off debt. The budget income expansion cycle. Budget creates clarity. You find small savings. Savings fund skill development. You increase earning ability. Increased earnings improve budget. More funds for further growth. Repeat and scale. Your action plan this month. Create your survival budget, 2 hours. Identify one skill you can monetize within 30 days, 1 hour. Reduce one non-essential expense and redirect to your income growth fund. Block 2 hours weekly for income expansion activities. Research one free certification related to your field or interest. Remember, budgeting is your launchpad. Budgeting isn't about living with less forever. It's about strategically managing what you have while building toward more. The most successful budgeters aren't just good at cutting expenses, they're architects of their financial growth. Your current income determines your budget. Your next income determines your future. Work on both simultaneously. When do you start this transformation? Start tonight. Review last month's spending. Find monies that can be redirected. Use it to take the first small step toward earning extra income next month. The compound effect of this practice will transform your financial reality over time.